All right, good evening, Professor, and happy Valentine's Day to you. So we'll go ahead and start. This is for assignment 5.2. It's the input-output assignment. We'll go ahead and skip problem 1. There's no coding in that. And we'll start with problem 2. You wanted us to create a prompt for the diameter of a water bubble in centimeters. You gave us a formula to find downward surface tension. So I went ahead and did a D variable, and I prompted a diameter of a water bottle in centimeters. I put the formula in there for the downward surface tension, threw that in F variable. And then for the F print, to just display our answer here, it's just right here. So when we go ahead and run it, let's go ahead and run our code. It's going to ask us the diameter of a water bubble in centimeters. We do 5, and then it's automatically going to calculate and pull it into a phrase right here for a water bubble of a diameter of 5 centimeters. Their downward surface tension force is 2261.95 dyn, and that's of course rounding like you requested. We go down to problem 3 here. You wanted us to create a prompt for x values, and just created what is your x value. I created a what is your x value. You wanted us to create a prompt for y value, so I said what is your y value, and then you just wanted us to plot that using a blue color and a star symbol. So if we just say our x value is 10 here in our prompt, and we do our y value is 5, we will get a nice little graph here. Y values are labeled, X values are labeled, and I named it a little something funny, my little pony star plot. So that's looking good. Close that out. We go down to problem 4 here. And this one was a little bit different. You wanted us to plot, you wanted to create a vector, max X vector, and it was just 1 with a spacing of 0.1, and you wanted us to use the input function. You want us to create a max x value. Sorry, my brain is turning off on me right now. So what we did is we did a x max vector here, and we did the input function, and we did a prompt, give me your maximum x value. So when it gives you your maximum x value, you put that in there, and then it's going to give you a vector starting at 1 in 0.1 increments all the way up to that x value. And then you wanted us to cosine those x values in a separate vector. And in order to do that, I did the cosine function to the x values vector. And then you wanted us to plot it, and you wanted us to do a red colored diamond symbol, and you wanted us to label it properly. So I have the prompt up down here. So give me your max x value. Let's just say it's 50. And there's our beautiful graph with our cosine x values on the y-axis and our x values on the x-axis. So that's all I got, Professor. Thank you so much. I look forward to class this week.